So here, my friend, if you truly love me, then keep in your mind my 3 commitments. And whatever way, you see, wherever you live, try to create compassionate atmosphere, compassionate, atmosphere, compassionate society, then religious harmony. Then, you see, tell more people Tibetan knowledge which come from Nalanda is quite useful. So, whether believer or non-believer, it's worthwhile. This Tibetan knowledge is to keep as a part of academic subject. So if you practice, if you pay more attention, that's best gift for my birthday. Okay.